I own the store TPT, the Lesson Pony. Today I'm going to show you a quick lab. It's very, very cold today. It's -10 without the wind chill. Here is a cup of boiling hot water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it up and watch what happens to it. As you can see, it becomes snow. It goes away right away. It's a fun lab to do with your students. It's cheap. The only problem is you got to be careful, especially with this weather with frostbite. Thank you for viewing.